Hi guys, welcome to Grudy's late Saturday night. I thought I'd show you something pretty. This is what we're on this week. Tune, give it back to the client. Did want to show you what I've been doing though. So I'm still learning TIG. These are ridiculously hot. So these are my adapters and my 50mm trumpets. The little weld's actually not bad. That one's probably the first one was a little bit nasty. This one came up really good. A nice little weld on the inside here. Alright, right on the tip. So what I did was I welded the tiny little tip to the 1.5mm sleeve. I think that's what it is, 1mm. And then I'm just getting used to the TIG on real low settings. It's not pretty. It's very effective. Did some other alley welding today. V8 bell housing, 420G. This is one that came from America. It was damaged in transit. It had another bell housing sitting inside, so that's just straight off the gun. Yeah, like a painter. Straight off the gun. Yeah, I'll probably clean it up a little bit. There's penetration. Welded both sides. I always do both sides when I do bell housing. Bell housings suck because they're full of brake and like brake dust and oil and shit. So you always get nice pointer. You always get this shit here, which is a bit of porosity. This here, it actually cracked all the way through, and I hadn't seen it, so I had to chase this, drill the end of the crack. Drill the end of this crack, drill the end of this crack. Didn't see this crack till the end. Drilled the end of that, drilled the end of that. And that was a hole. That was just a piece that had fallen out. Seems to be good. Hold on. Rightio. You got the one with the breather. And then this is the only finished one so far. This was the first one. This is nasty. Probably put this all the way down this end so people don't see it. What I might actually do is I might go back over this one, clean it up. I might even just grind all the welds down and just curve them nicely. But yeah, what I've had to do was flatten this edge and this edge so they clear each other. So where I'm welding them is about there. Just above, trying to get the. I should have put my flats on afterwards, but me being in a hurry, always do it a little bit different. But yeah, getting there. So what will happen is all 6 trumpets will go in. Pointer. All 6 trumpets will go in. I'll make a backing plate that'll come behind them, and then I will do some form of airbox inside the engine bay. I haven't worked that out yet. I'll work that out once it's happening. I still haven't got my nuts to bolt my manifold and stuff on, and we have a Frank Leo Grand thermostat housing. Yeah, so Frank actually has sent us one from America, so we should have that in the next week or two. So none of this can all get bolted down until that's on anyway. So we'll see how we go. It just gets so dusty. Alright guys, well you have a lovely night. I'm going to keep welding. Thanks.